Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Scrunch Deco Mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: I have this adorable sign for the center, a 14-inch wreath ring, green, white, and blue deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. You can also add any additional embellishments you'd like. Alright, let's get started. So I have my wreath ring here, and I have cut my Chanel stems into thirds, and I'm going to take a third of a Chanel stem, start on the outer inner ring, twist my stem a couple of times, and then I'm going to go on the inner ring, twist it a couple of times, and then come back to the outer ring, just like that. And I'm going to continue alternating outer, inner, outer. So the next will go inner, outer, inner, all the way around the ring. And I chose to go with a third of a Chanel stem. That way I use less Chanel stems and I don't have much stem to have to tuck away. It is a little more difficult to add your mesh, so if you want, you can definitely use half of a Chanel stem, which will give you a little more space. Alright, I'm going to get all of my stems in place, and then we'll start adding our mesh. So, with my mesh, I have cut 8-inch long pieces of my green, blue, and white. And I'm going to use 4 pieces in each bundle. You can use more, less. You can go with the 10-inch wide deco mesh, whatever you prefer. But I just want to show you guys the option with using only Dollar Tree items. Now, I like to layer my mesh, kind of half layer, instead of directly on top of each other, because it makes for a wider, more whimsical wreath. But again, go with whatever you prefer. So I have my green. I'm going to layer it halfway with the blue, and then I'm going to take another blue and place it on top of the green, and then white on top of the blue. Just like that. Scrunch it in the center. Like that. Pick a Chanel stem. And twist it in place. And then tuck away your Chanel stem. Once you get more bundles in place, you'll be able to flare it out more and maneuver it. It does move slightly, but again, once you get more mesh in place, it'll be more stationary. So I'm going to make another bundle, and I'm going to alternate the color order for my bundles. I just think that looks so cute and precious. So I'm just overlapping them halfway, just like that. 4 pieces of mesh in each bundle, scrunching it together, and then placing it in my Chanel stem, twisting it in place, and then tucking away my stem, just like that. Alright, I'm going to make one more bundle and show you what one section is looking like. So this is what one section looks like. Again, once you flare it out, it's going to look so cute and fluffy. We're going to get the other sections placed and show you what it's looking like. So this is what 2 sections look like so far. So cute and precious. This is what the back looks like. So I'm going to finish the rest of the sections, and we'll add our sign to the center. So I have placed my bundles in each section. It looks so cute and fluffy. Now I'm just going around separating the layers, making it even fluffier. Again, I used 4 pieces of mesh in each bundle, 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections, for a total of 18 bundles. Again, you can use more or less, whatever you prefer. It just depends on how large and poofy you want your wreath to be. Alright, so now it's time to add our adorable sign to the center. So I'm cutting off my top hanger, flipping my sign over. I'm going to take 2 chenille stems, twist them together to form one long chenille stem. Place this at the top, but I don't want to cover my little window because then it will be visible. Take 2, twist it together for the bottom. And I just want to make sure I have enough stem hanging off the side so that I can easily attach it to my wreath. Now I'm going to hot glue my stems in place, and then we'll add the sign to our wreath. Push the mesh outward so that I don't cover too much with my sign. Let my sign fit snugly in the center, but I kind of want to fluff it a little bit. It's fluffing it up and everything. Alright, so once you have it exactly where you like for it to be, push your mesh aside to find the actual wreath ring and twist your chenille stem in place a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then fluff up your mesh so that the stem is not visible. Repeat this step with all 4 chenille stems. Right, and then once you're done, just fluff up your mesh. Make sure it's nice and poofy. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. You can add in any additional embellishments that you like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But this entire wreath can be made for less than $10. So cute.